Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out something really exciting and unique, that is Samsung's The Frame TV. Now why is this so unique? And that is mainly because very often when you just think about televisions, you're always thinking about just a fully functional, high-resolution smart TV, but this one here can actually act as a premium decorative item for your home. Samsung's The Frame TV is literally a TV when turned on and an artwork when turned off. So in today's video, we're going to be exploring two main parts here. First up, we're going to be figuring out what actually creates this entire The Frame experience, the kind of customizations that you can do for it. And number two, we'll talk all about the tech involved in creating this rather unique experience with Samsung's The Frame TV. Now, without further ado, let's just begin with the full video right away. Now, before I do that, bear in mind that because I'll be checking out this really large Samsung The Frame TV, so you won't be seeing the TV here in this little kitchen. We'll be moving out to a different space to see how it looks like in an actual home. So let's begin with the video right away. So first up, let's take a look at the frame's design in detail. It's super slim and you can actually put it on the wall to have it look exactly like an actual picture frame. Now the frame also comes in sizes of between 32 inches all the way up to a massive 85 inches. And you can set it up either in landscape or portrait. Now what's really cool about the frame is you can also customize the bezels on the sides to give it a unique and personalized look based on your preferred style. Alternatively, you can also change it from time to time to keep your house looking fresh with a new feel and mood every time you make that change. Now, in terms of installation, you might be wondering how do you actually create that frame looking TV? Well, great news because you can use the slim fit wall mounts that came in the box to put the frame right flush against your walls. Once you get that set up, you will get the super cool look that makes your TV look like a frame. Now, with the frame on your wall, the next question that might come to your mind might be, how do you hide all those cables, or what about cable management? Well, don't worry, as Samsung has thought about that and came up with the one invisible connection idea. So how this works is that you will have only one invisible cable connecting the frame directly into the One Connect box, which acts as the main console for the device, and this creates that near invisible cable-free look. That way, you'll have no messy cables at all. Neat! Now, if you don't want to hang the frame on the wall, and you can also choose to use a standard height adjustable stand or a studio stand to have it looking like a piece of art sitting right in the middle of your home. Now at this point, you might also be wondering what kind of art should you be showing on the frame? Well, worry not, you can set your own family pictures for the frame, but if you want to go a little bit more expressive, this is where you can head to Samsung's art store to view a growing library of over 1,600 pieces of artwork from world-renowned institutions. Even if you don't fancy art, you gotta admit that this is pretty impressive in terms of the thought to detail that has been planned for the frame. Now, one cool thing is that the frame even has a motion sensor that can detect when someone is in the room, and it will light up to show your artwork automatically. Last but not least, let's talk a little bit about the other display tech on this device because it does come with a ton of it. To start, the frame comes with a 4K QLED panel powered by Samsung's Quantum Processor 4K. It has a 100% color volume with quantum dot and a really dark contrast to go with it. In other words, this display panel looks nothing short of stunning. Apart from that, there is also a brightness sensor to detect your room lighting changes to adjust the brightness of the display. My personal favorite part is the PC on TV and mobile mirroring feature, simply because I work from home all the time and it's really useful to conveniently mirror my PC or mobile directly onto a big screen. Now, apart from that, if you want the full cinematic experience from your home, you can also pair the frame together with Samsung's S60A Lifestyle soundbar. Its side horn speaker with acoustic beam is designed to fill your space with sound from anywhere in the room. This soundbar doesn't only sound good, but also comes with that nice minimalist premium fabric design that should fit the overall image together with the frame. Now, at the end of the day, when I first learned about the frame, I was quite intrigued as to how this would fit into my daily life. However, after using it and enjoying it for the past few days, I can definitely see the value of having one of the frames in my home. Not only does it give you the familiar high-definition movie experience from Samsung, but it also elevates the entire experience by adding a touch of art and style to one's otherwise rather boring TV setup. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you do want to change your static TV into something cool and unique like this, don't forget to find out more about Samsung's The Frame TV. You can find out all the information down in the description below. Last but not least, yes, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And do stay safe, everybody. Bye!